Tired of the same old streaming options? Let's supercharge your Nvidia Shield with the apps you actually want. First up, the easiest method, the Google Play Store. Navigate to the Play Store icon on your home screen, which usually looks like a colorful triangle. Once inside, use your Shield remote to browse or search for your desired app. Type in the app's name, like Spotify or Netflix, using the on-screen keyboard. After finding the app, select it and you'll see an install button. Click it and the app will download and install automatically. Once it finishes, you may either open the app from here or go back to the home screen. Now, what if an app isn't available on the Play Store? Don't worry, we move on to method 2, Sideloading APKs. This involves downloading an app file, which is an Android apps installation file, from a trusted website or source on your computer. Make sure you know the source is a safe, trusted and legitimate source. Once downloaded, you need to get this file onto your Shield. The simplest way is to put it on a USB drive. Plug the drive into your computer, copy the APK, then plug the drive into your Shield. There are other methods like using a file sharing app, which you'll have to install first. From your Shield's home screen, you'll need a File Explorer app, which will allow you to browse the USB drive. You might need to go to other apps in the Play Store here. Then click on the APK file, confirm the installation, and in a few moments, your Sideloaded app will be installed on your Nvidia Shield. The installed app might appear on your apps list. If not, you may need a third-party launcher. If you decide to get a third-party launcher, like Valve Launcher, it can provide a custom home screen experience and help organize and access all your apps, including the Sideloaded ones. Adding apps opens up a world of entertainment. Now, go forth and customize your Shield.